guys, let's continue with our fourth part and last, making the arms for our teddy bear. I am making a long stripe with navy blue. I think I took too much fondant. Just take away a piece. Now I am just rolling with my smoother. That way it will look more nice, more even. Check that both sides are almost the same size or thickness. Now cut just a little bit in the edges like this and in the center. As you can see, I am making the both arms at the same time. It's easy for me like that because that way I can control the thickness of both arms, so it's better for me like that. Okay, I am using this tool. I love it, this one, because it helps me a lot. I am just rolling and as you can see, you can make the space inside the sleeve or the arm for teddy bear. Just like this, just roll it and it's easy. Now we have both. They look quite well for me. So let's check with the teddy bear the length of the arm. Let's see, I think this is a good size. I am just going to cut like this. Remember the size doesn't have to be larger than the jacket, okay? Just be careful with that. Okay, now I have the size. I am going to cut the other one. I can use scissors or I can use my smoother. You can use anything you have. Just like this. I love it because it's firm and it helps me a lot when I can't find my scissors. This is a great tool. Okay, they are ready to connect to the body. Let's do it. I am using a little bit of water with my finger, just a small amount, because if I use a lot of glue or water, the arm will slip and will fall. Okay, so don't use a lot of water or a lot of glue. Be careful with that. That's why I do it with my finger. That way I feel like I have more control of the amount of water or glue that I am using. Okay, now I am cutting here a triangle with my scissors like this to make the putting some water also, yes, and I'm going to fold. This way the arm of my teddy bear will look better. Always try to make the 90 degrees angle so the elbow it's visible and it looks more aesthetic. Okay, so he's saluting, so I'm going to put the arm in this position. You can use a skewer or a toothpick or a small piece of wire, anything you have to connect this arm to the body. Just check the position. I am using a small piece of skewer. I'm going to cut the excess because I don't want it too long. Just like this. Just a small piece like support for the arm. Okay. That way we will not have any trouble later with that arm. Okay, now I am connecting just like this, and I am trying to smooth a little bit. I am taking it to the front because I'm going to put the hand saluting, and I am just marking a few wrinkles on the arm, like the real clothes. Okay, now let's make the hands of our teddy bear. You're gonna use, or you're gonna need, a small piece of brown fondant, the same fondant that we used for the head. I am rolling like a small sausage, and with my finger I am just dividing or making or marking the center like this, and I'm pushing with my fingerprint just like this. Push, they look like small teaspoons something like that, and I am going to divide the finger. You can also use the scissors, but I loved using this mini shaper because it's easier for me. Now I am just marking a little bit inside the hands with that other tool, and I am dividing the hands. As you could see, I made also the hands the same at the same time. That way I will not make any mistakes making the same hand twice. It happened to me several times, so that's why I make both hands at the same time. Okay, now I am just putting a little bit of texture the same way that I did, or that we did with the head, to make it look hairy. And you can use some water or glue to connect. I am just pushing inside the sleeve like that. Okay, the other one, the same step, some texture. And remember, you can also make it without any texture, just normal, and it will look amazing too. Okay, for this hand I am putting a little bit of water because it's going to be down, looking down, or in that position, and it could fall if I don't glue it. So I am just putting a little bit of water, and that's it. A little bit of pressure, and we have the other hand. Okay, so now let's go to the details, the small details for our teddy bear. It looks nice like this, but it needs more contrast, and I think the stars are very symbolic for this occasion. So this teddy bear will not be complete without stars. Okay, so let's use these kind of cutters, or if you have another kind of cutters, the star cutters, use them. Okay, so now I'm going to roll out a little bit of white fondant to cut my stars and to put on the teddy bear. I want to make this or roll out this fondant very thin, because I don't want the stars to look big or fat. I am just pressing and connecting, or putting the star in the front. These are the tiniest ones that you can find. Those will be great for this. These. Go with another one. In this occasion I am only decorating the front part of our teddy bear, just because I don't want this video to be or to become long video, so you can finish it when you are working in this tutorial. Put more stars behind. I am just showing you how I put my stars or the stars in the jacket of my teddy bear and the hat, and I'm going to add some stars in the base to make it look better. Okay, here's another one, and I think it's looking good. Don't use or don't put too much stars, just a few ones, otherwise it will look too much. So this star was like a little weird. I tried to fix it with the tools, with the shaper. Okay, here it goes, another one. This, and we will continue with the other side like this. I also think that it will look great if you leave it like that, only in the front. I don't know why, but I think it's going to look nice, but it's up to you guys. Okay, so I am almost finished these decorations. It looks nice. As you can see, there are not too many stars and it looks great. Now I am going to use a bigger size star for the base, star cutter. And right in the center I'm going to put this white star, and then I think it would look nice if we can combine the colors. So I am using a little bit of navy blue to make the other stars. Remember, I am just decorating the front part. You can finish it when you are working on your own teddy bears, okay? And I'm going to add another one, just like this. Pressing with my finger, and that's it. We have finished our 4th of July teddy bear. Thank you so much. This is Daniela Cabrera, brand ambassador for Innovative Sugar Works, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to get your tools, your amazing sugar shapers, to create this beautiful design and many others. Oh, someone wants to say goodbye too. This other teddy bear, the original one that I made, the first one, and as you can see, they are both adorable. Now I have to say goodbye. Thank you so much. Bye bye.